I would like to use this Ramadan to call upon people in the world to work for justice everywhere and global affluence. What is happening now in the Middle East is something we have discussed with those leaders. I have already discussed with those leaders. All of them, our friends. The Israelis are our friends. The Iranians are our friends. The UAE are our friends. The Qataris are our friends. The Saudis, the Americans. To get time and discuss with all these people the issue of global affluence, which will benefit everybody.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.